Thunder, I'm sorry. Thunder, I'm sorry. Why are you so mad at me? What did I do?
You're sorry? You're sorry? I saw you with that poodle. Don't say sorry to me.
A poodle? A poodle? She means nothing to me. That was only one time.
Maybe just one time with a poodle, but I saw you with that Yorkie last week. You were doing that? Oh, I hate you.
A Yorkie? What the hell is a Yorkie? No, oh, come on. That was only a 2-time thing.
You don't even know what the fuck a Yorkie is. Oh my god. Oh my god, I saw you yesterday with that Pomeranian. With that fucking tramp. Why the fuck am I still with you if you keep doing this shit? Yorkie, tramp, all these fucking dogs, I hate you. I hate you. You poodle lover. Honey, what's all this yelling? Come back to bed.
Not now, Shadow.
What do you mean not now? Who the fuck is this bitch? Who are you calling a bitch? Ho? Fucking bitch? Ah! Ah! What?
Why are you fighting?
Aiden, you are the father.
What you talking about, Mari?
No. No. Right now. Not now. Shit. Not now.
Oh.
What do you mean right now?
Fuck. Shadow.
What the fuck you doing, fucking dogs? Shit. How? How?
Where the fuck Shadow? Shadow. Shit. You don't even know what the fuck a Yorkie is! Oh. Shit.
What are you calling a bitch? Ho! Ho?
Dada! No. We over, Aiden! We over!